So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to share your invite code here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Profile. Once you guys are here, see where it says Give 5, Get 5? Go ahead and press on that. Now once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and share your invite code with friends and earn $5 in credit for the first tickets that they buy. So this basically gives them $5. It gives you $5 as well if someone uses this code. So where it's green right here, you can go ahead and copy that, send that to your friends through social media, text, or whatever, and then you can go ahead and cash it in that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can share your invite code on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.